Hey guys, welcome back to our channel for another day in Laos travel series. So this is our day 3 and today we are going to check out from Vientiane and we will be traveling to Van Vieng. And the best thing about today is going to be how we travel to Van Vieng. So stay tuned for that, but before that let's have our breakfast.
So we have just booked the cab to Vientiane railway station and it is showing about 3 minutes. Railway station हमें I think आधा घंटा लगेगा जाने में and the cost it is showing on the Loka app is about 2,10,000 kips. So far we have felt that Loka app is really cheap. Then you go and try to negotiate with the local vendors. So we really found it very comfortable.
So we have finally reached the Vientiane railway station and today we'll be traveling from the bullet train to Van Vieng.
And it will be our first bullet train experience. We will be sharing that as well, so stay tuned till the end. Also, in morning we found little bit traffic everywhere on the route. So yesterday it was showing us about 30 minutes to reach the railway station, but it took us more than that. I think around 45 minutes. And the railway station is pretty far from the city center, so plan accordingly. Take some extra margin, at least half an hour extra, just for the traffic.
So for the bullet train, we booked the tickets online from the website. I think it was Laos Train, and we'll drop the link in the description below.
Also, the tickets open only 3 to 4 days in advance. So if you are planning to travel, try to book it as soon as possible because it gets sold out pretty fast.
Or you will have to compromise on the travel, and or maybe you will have to take the ordinary train or the different route, which takes longer than usual. So station waiting area is pretty huge and there are a lot of eating options as well available over here.
So in case if you are not able to get the train tickets, there are few alternative options which you can opt to travel from one city to another. So if you don't get the train tickets, you can opt for buses or even shared vans. For those, you can reach out to your hotel staff wherever you are staying. They can help you with that. Or you can easily find that using few apps which run around here locally like Dwelco Asia. But keep in mind the buses and vans can take a little longer than the trains. So train timing can vary from 52 minutes to 1.5 hour depending upon the train you have opted for. While the buses and the vans can take 3 to 4 hours to go. The fare costed us about 3,000 INR for 2 people. And we have booked the second class coach, which is pretty comfortable. If you are planning to travel via the business coach, it would be about 5,000 or 6,000. I will add the exact amount on the screen later.
So right outside the railway station, we found a mini van which is going to take us to our hotel. The hotel is about 3 kilometers only, and it will cost about 40,000 per person. But the cab was showing about 1,10,000. So we are thinking to go via the minibus.
reached the Consiana Hotel where we are staying for next 3 days, and the minivan dropped multiple people on the way. So it's like a shared van where they will be dropping people. So it took us about 10 minutes to reach the place. So we did the check-in, but the rooms are not ready. So we still have some time for that, and we are thinking of grabbing something to eat before we get the room. So let's go.
So Van Vieng is pretty small, and जो हमारा होटल है वहाँ से everything is very nearby. ऐसा लगेगा कि you are just stepping into temple 1 second and then एकदम से आपके कोई tour packages वाले आ जाएंगे, and then एकदम से ही restaurants आ जाएंगे. Just 2 minutes of walk from our hotel, so we found this very cozy place, green restaurant, and we just sat here for a quick bite and look at the view. Now we are headed to our hotel for check-in. It's almost about 2 p.m. now. तो हमारे होटल से अबाउट 1.5 किलोमीटर दूर एक बहुत ही अच्छा रिजॉर्ट है, वानतारा रिजॉर्ट. आई थिंक दैट एरिया इज़ वेरी फोटोजेनिक, एंड वहाँ पे सनसेट पे बहुत ही अच्छी फोटोज आती हैं. तो वी आर गोइंग ओवर देयर राइट नाउ, एंड उसी के पास कुछ एक दो और सनसेट व्यू पॉइंट्स हैं, तो हम वहाँ तक जा रहे हैं अभी. एंड बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट वान विएंग टिल नाउ इज दैट कहीं पे भी हम निकल जाएं थोड़ा सा अच्छा व्यू आता है, तो यू कैन सी द माउंटेन रेंजेस एंड दैट लुक्स वेरी ड्रामेटिक एंड ब्यूटीफुल. ओ टिप्सी टिपिंग चल रही है वहाँ पे. ओह नो, दैट्स काइकिंग.
Reached at the Vantara resort and look at the views behind me. It's beautiful. We have just ordered something and we are waiting for our order, and meanwhile we are also enjoying the views, mountains and paramotoring as well.
So just behind this scene, so the hot air balloon and the paragliding, I think motor gliding, so that is happening. So it is looking very beautiful. We clicked some amazing pictures over here, and every photo frame looks very photogenic.
राइट ऑपोजिट वांगतारा रिजॉर्ट देयर इज मेकॉन्ग रिवर, और यहाँ पे काइकिंग चल रही है. ऑल दीज काइकिंग बोट्स आर देयर. ऑल्सो यहाँ पर एक ये ब्रिज है, दिस ब्रिज, दैट्स द फुट ब्रिज जिससे हम आए थे, एंड वी आर गोइंग बैक दैट वे इटसेल्फ. और बहुत शेकी सा ब्रिज है. वहाँ पर व्हीकल्स अलाउड नहीं है, बट स्कूटीज आर गोइंग एंड पैदल लोग क्रॉस कर रहे हैं. Way back we found this tour guide. So for tomorrow we have planned a few things, like we are planning to go to a viewpoint and kuch caves hain. Also there are blue lagoons, multiple blue lagoons here, and we have shortlisted a few jo hame karne hain. So we went there and we got that we got a tour package for tomorrow. That will be a private tour, So we are really excited about that. Let's see how tomorrow goes. There are so many shops here, clothes, accessories, painting, souvenirs. You can find everything right here. So we found a cute bakery here in Wangyang. So we had our dinner here and it was very nice. We tried pad thai and also we tried their desserts. उनके पास ना desserts में बहुत सी cute सी varieties हैं. And the taste was also very good and price is also reasonable as compared to other places that we have seen here. So while walking we found this street जहाँ पे ना अलग अलग countries के restaurants हैं. There is an Indian restaurant, there is Chinese restaurant, Thai food है और ऐसे आपको बहुत सारे यहाँ पे अलग अलग countries के restaurant मिलेंगे. I felt Vientiane से ज़्यादा ये place happening है. यहाँ पर बहुत लोग एकदम chill हैं. सब यहाँ पे कुछ games चल रही हैं. हर कैफे के बाहर कुछ कुछ games लगी हैं. People are playing और in general यहाँ पर थोड़ा शोर है. और वेंचेन में जबकि शाम के टाइम पे इट वाज मोर लाइक अ सिटी बट दिस फील्स लाइक अ वेकेशन प्लेस. तो आपको ये प्लेस तो मिस नहीं करनी चाहिए डेफिनेटली. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let us know in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more travel videos. Also, we will be sharing the full itinerary to plan your live trip very soon. So stay tuned and hit that bell icon to get all the notifications. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, khub chai.